Welcome to Pro Tools Expert, my name's Dan Cooper. In this free video tutorial series, we're on a mission to find the best Waves plugins for mix bus processing. In this episode, we're taking a look at this CLA MixDown, which is a fairly recent release and made in collaboration with the mixing master, Chris Lord-Alge. That's a very straightforward plugin this, designed specifically for mix buses. We've got bass treble controls, one here called glue, which is compression. We've got two flavors of that. It's very gentle. And then a drive fader here as well for putting in some nice subtle saturation. Okay, this is set in the default position, so all the faders at 0. And as soon as I take it out of bypass, you'll hear that some processing is taking place. Bring the output down a bit. Right, let's add some top ends. Doesn't need much. Let's have a play around with the drive, see if we can grit this up a bit. Bit much. Let's try the glue. Again, really don't need much of this. That's nice. It's just enough to fill it out a little bit and adds that nice little bit of spit and polish at the ends. Anyway, for more information on CLA MixDown, do check out the Waves website. Hope you guys got something from this. I'm Dan from Pro Tools Expert, and I'll see you again soon.